There are two kinds of companies in this world. One cuts corners, cuts safety, makes everything down to a price. The other builds precisely, builds responsibly, makes everything up to the standard. SRP is certainly the second kind. Since day one, operator safety has been SRP's top priority. Our mission is to make machines more productive and the operators' work safer. And that mission starts by solving real problems. Wired pendant stations slow down operations. They force operators to move closer to the crane, restrict their movement, and demand frequent inspections and maintenance. The answer? SRP wireless radio remote controls. Our wireless remotes are available in two powerful series. The Robust-Tronic, lightweight, rigid, and built for all-day durability. And the New Edge series, our modern wireless remote line, offering sleek, modern control with easy pairing and full customization. Engineered to free the operator completely, with IP65 water resistance rated up to 100, low power consumption, universal pairing, a 1-year warranty, and 24/7 after-sales support. Most importantly, our wireless remotes are compatible with any existing crane. Customization is our superpower. We help bring your ideal setup to life. Want to operate 2 or more cranes with a single remote through tandem operation? Or customize your control range from 40 to 300 meters? Or set pre-planned pickup and drop positions for the crane at fixed locations across your facility? Or configure the remote to trigger hooters or warning lights? Consider it done. Over 20,000 plus remotes delivered worldwide. 6 service centers across India in Rajkot, Ahmedabad, Faridabad, Pune, Kolkata, and Bengaluru. So expert support is never far away. And exporting to 25 plus countries worldwide. Our team of experts works every day to achieve the highest criteria in every product detail. We constantly challenge our products. The high-performing nature of our products is simply the result of advanced manufacturing processes and precise assembly. We breathlessly put our products to rigorous tests to guarantee the highest quality standards. Our control systems are internationally certified, including MSM EZED Gold, TUV SUDIS 09001:2015, DUNS, ISO 14001:2015, ISO 45001:2018, and ISO 50001:2011. Of all the features our customers value, SRP's smartest feature is still safety. SRP, 3 letters of safety.